I thought I'd do a YouTube video on fix the flat to fix this lawnmower tire. I've already filled it up with air once and it's gone flat again, so following the directions, opening the can, pulling off the top, taking my nozzle, screwing it in here. All I gotta do is press this yellow button right here. See what happens. Looks like the can is running out. Tire still isn't quite inflated yet. I could put air in it, but what I think I'm going to do is give it another can to fix the flat. Since it's a big tire, it might be a big hole because it's a lawnmower. I'm going to go ahead and give it another can. Still going. Maybe it looks like it's getting pretty full. I might just go and top it off with air. Still hear some of it coming out. Be right back. Go and get the air compressor turned on. Okay. No air pressure. Not signaling any air pressure yet. You take at least 20 psi.